is the Texas weather discussion video for Tuesday, the 16th of October. I'm Donovan Neal. We'll deal with another day of widespread showers and thunderstorms, but then for the next few days, as we head on to the next few days, we'll deal with some chances of scattered showers and thunderstorms, but it won't be as widespread and they won't last all day. So let's check things out here. This is the upper air look across the continental United States. You can see the mid-latitude westerlies remain just to the north of us. That trough near Arizona, pushing lots of tropical moisture downstream, and that's why we're seeing all of this rain. Here's the radar early this morning. You can see widespread showers and thunderstorms continue for much of the North Texas area from pretty much the southwest, and that will continue all day today. But here are the temperatures. It'll also stay pretty cool. It'll also stay pretty cold today. Temperatures are in the mid 40s currently, probably lower in most spots, and the wind chill is even lower than that, mostly in the middle to upper 30s. So still just warm today across the nation. Much of the colder air is starting to filter in into the south. The warmest air across the nation is actually in the deep south near Alabama, Georgia, and Florida, and parts of the Carolinas, but that won't be the case for long. And eventually, that cold air is expected to make its way down there sometime soon. Across the watch warning map, we still have flash flood watches in effect from South Texas to North Texas, in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. Additional 2 to 4 inches is still expected over the North Texas area. And up to the north, we have freeze warnings in effect for parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, and parts of the Corn Belt and Midwest, where their growing season is pretty much over there. On the watch, here's the categorical outlooks. We'll still mention the risk for a few thunderstorms in the mix of the widespread rain, but no organized severe weather is expected for the next several days. This is the average rainfall for the next 7 days. Followed through Tuesday morning of next week, heavier totals remain in north central Texas. Down here, amounts we still could see around 2 to 3 inches or even greater for much of North Texas. And again, that's anything that we see today, and that's anything that we see for the next few days, basically towards the weekend. On the tropics, we only have one lone wave that's located out in the Yucatan Peninsula. That's expected to move into the Central America and not develop anytime soon. So the Gulf of Mexico remains quiet. The rest of the Atlantic Basin remains quiet. So let's go on to the output. This is the 06Z run of the GFS followed this afternoon at 1 o'clock. You can see that upper lows still in Arizona. Pulls a lot of moisture here. We'll deal with another day of widespread showers and thunderstorms. Again, it'll be a cold, raw day today. Highs will be in the mid 40s if we even get that high. And here's Wednesday. We'll still mention the chance of scattered showers and thunder, mainly widespread rain during the afternoon hours, but then that begins the morning hours. But then that begins to taper off during the afternoon. If you don't see rain, you'll mostly stay mostly cloudy. Highs mostly in the low to mid 50s. And here's Thursday. The confidence is increasing that we could see a little bit more rain, not widespread, but more scattered showers and thunderstorms on Thursday. Highs will be in the low 60s. And on Friday, that activity moves more to the east. We'll still deal with the risk for a few afternoons showers and thunderstorms on Friday as well. But here's Saturday as the weekend begins. A good indication that Saturday things clear out as a high builds over the Central Plains. And by Saturday, we'll be in the mid 60s, and it's pretty much the same deal on Sunday. And here's Monday of next week. Monday looking increasingly dry, pretty much the same deal, mostly cloudy, highs in the mid 60s. Here's a week from today, Tuesday the 23rd of October. We have that trough and just to the west of us. Down here, looks like confidence is increasing that moisture could still creep into here, but we'll leave a dry forecast until confidence increases for now. And here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Thursday the 25th of October. Trough just to the east of us. Down here, heights where they should be, and very dry. Here are the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble for basically towards the end of this month. Obviously, we stay pretty chilly for the rest of this work week, but then after this weekend, highs pretty much go back to the low to mid 60s, and temperatures go back into the upper 40s to mid 50s for lows. Very fall-like weather. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'll warn it's in the blog. Next video here is expected to be posted at around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can, catch your local TV stations this afternoon at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.